Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the small tag. So as the name suggests, you will write the tags in a small and text into small because you have seen the copyrights which they written in small because they don't want to bother their customers by saying those things because nobody heard or see those things. So first we need to do is what we're gonna do is throw a bunch of backups, use the alarm for that. It will be the best thing in my opinion. And then another one, and I'm gonna use the small tag, and inside that I'm gonna write copyright by Assad. So when you do that, you can see there is small letters which don't bother your customers or your end users to for that. It's just a line. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.